Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to delete your Teachable account. If you no longer wish to use Teachable, then follow these steps to permanently delete your account. First of all, open up the Teachable application on your mobile device, or you may also log into teachable.com on a web browser. Once you're in the home page of Teachable, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the app settings page, scroll down to find the Delete My Account button and tap on it. Now click on the Continue with Account Deletion button on the next page. Deleting your account will remove your access to all courses and schools that you've enrolled in. You cannot undo the action, so make sure that you are sure you'd like to delete the account. Now on the next page, go ahead and select the reason why you are trying to delete the account and then write down your name, email address, and then your message. Finally, after doing that, you can also go ahead and scroll all the way down and then select the country where you are located in. And finally, click on Send Request. You'll then receive a verification code sent to your email. Go ahead and type in the code in the text box. Go ahead and open up your email inbox once again and go look for this verification code and type it down inside your app and click on Submit Request. Right after you do that, you will then be able to submit your deletion request and you will soon be contacted by the agent about your deletion. So that's how you can easily delete your Teachable account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.